Welcome to Houston, Texas, where it's absolutely freezing. It's miserable. We're going to be playing with some really cool lighting gear today. This is continuous lighting from Westcott. These are bi-color lights with a lot of modifiers. We have a lot planned for today, so glad you're here. This video is sponsored by Westcott. We're doing a photo shoot today using continuous light. These Westcott L60B lights pack a punch for someone who's looking to shoot with continuous light. One of my favorite features of any continuous light is having bi-color capability. So being able to use this light to warm up or cool down the image itself, the light on my subject, or the backlight is absolutely something that I look for. I just like being able to make that warm golden glow whenever I feel like it. In this shoot, it was raining and awful and really cold. So we set everything up ahead of time, making sure that our models are only out in the cold and rain for a short amount of time because, well, jackets were not in the wardrobe. I think what I'm gonna do first is a 2-light setup with our model. 1 light behind to really warm up this very cold situation. Probably with this rapid box on there to give a nice soft light to her face. And then that is gonna blue down. And when I white balance it, it's gonna make that warm light in the background, the orange, be that much more warm. So we'll play, we'll see how this goes. For this first shot, I'm using the rapid box to light their faces and have my light set to more of a cool tone. The backlight, however, I decided to use the Magnum reflector. This makes your light even brighter. And then I turned it all the way to warm so that I have a really nice warm glow coming behind them. It just gives a little bit more dimension in the image and helps it not look quite as cold as it actually was. And then look down at your dress. Good. And then kind of look off that way, just kind of like serious. Stunning. Can both of you go 1, 2, 3, just for fun? Anywhere, 1, 2, 3. Okay, go inside, go change, get warm. I did go check on my model in the bridal suite and I was blown away. This venue, Madera Estates in Houston, Texas, is absolutely stunning. And the second I walked into that bridal suite, I had to shoot there. So I just grabbed one of these lights and I pointed it towards the wall where there was a mirror that could reflect back with an interesting pattern, not only on my subject's face, but also on the wall behind her. So we just played a little bit, messing around with where her face was in the light. I had it hitting her, but then I had her a little bit further back, creating a softer light. And honestly, I'm pretty happy with what we got here. It was a lot of fun. Maybe the arms will drape if you, almost like you're reaching down. You know what this dress calls for? Now that looks really pretty.
You're such a good sport, thank you.
And then maybe that hand there, bring it up, down towards the other hand. And then eyes up there. Look actually that way one more time. And then this hand, maybe flip it. Maybe go to your earring. So good.
All right, I've got.
That's what I was like, we don't have to do wedding. Just FYI.
So come home, yes.
Yeah, and then you're going to take a step towards me, Tatum. Yep, pick up your dress and take another step towards me and towards the wall. So kind of diagonal. One more. Yep, and then pick up your dress almost as if you're about to walk away. Oh. Yeah. Good, and you're just looking at her. Good, and then look towards each other. That is absolutely stunning. My final step was throwing my favorite images through editing. I used a combination of Lightroom and Luminar Neo, which you can see another video on that program coming up very soon, or maybe it's already on the channel, and ended up with these final images. Let me know you think about shooting with continuous light. These are definitely a fun light to pick up and they're very light, they're easy. All of the 3 lights that I have, along with the 3 magnums and the adapters, this rapid box, all fit in one backpack. So that's kind of nice to have all of your continuous lights packed into one bag. You can plug these lights in, but they are also battery powered, which is how I use them. Ooh, as I bang it. They're very durable. I'm constantly on location, so I try not to plug things in, and I like lights that have a battery pack. Nice, easy setup. Everything fits in one book bag, and you can check them out at the link in the description below. These are the Westcott L60. My name's Vanessa Joy. I'll see you next time. Hit like, subscribe. Bye.